Welcome. If you're looking for a simple way to manually back up your photos to Google Drive, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps so you can keep your memories safe and accessible from anywhere. Let's get started. First, make sure you have the Google Drive app installed on your mobile device and that you're signed in with the Google account where you want to store your photos. Once you're ready, open the Google Drive app. Take a look at the bottom right corner of your screen and tap on the Files tab. This is where all your uploaded documents and images are organized. Now, look for the plus icon, usually found at the bottom right. Tap on it, and a menu will pop up with several options. Choose Upload from this list. Next, your device will show you different locations where your files are stored. Tap on Images or Photos to browse through your photo gallery. Scroll through your pictures and select the ones you want to back up. You can tap on multiple images to select more than one at a time. After you've chosen your photos, tap Select or Open, depending on your device. The upload will start right away, and you'll see a progress bar at the bottom of your screen. Once the upload is done, your photos will be safely stored in your Google Drive, ready to access from any device, anytime you need them. And that's it. You've just manually backed up your photos to Google Drive in a few easy steps. This method is perfect if you want to control exactly which images get uploaded, or if you prefer not to use automatic backup features. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions or want to see more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and happy backing up.